Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Umang Mawani and I solve coding interview questions. To know more about me, check my LinkedIn profile mentioned in the description. Today we will solve our first problem of two-pointer playlist. The problem is 2 sum 2 where the input array is sorted. The problem description says you are given a one index array of integers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order and we have to find two numbers such that they add up to a specific given target. And these two numbers, that is at index 1 and at index 2, are within the range 1 and less than the length of numbers. We have to return the indices of those two numbers, index 1 and 2, added by 1 as an integer array of length 2. The description also says that we may generate exactly one solution and we can't use the same element twice. For example, this is the numbers array and the given target is 9. So we can see that adding integers 2 and 7 will result in 9. Hence, the output is 1 and 2, that is index 0 plus 1 and index 1 plus 1. In example 2, the number array is 2, 3, 4 and the given target is 6. Hence, the sum of 2 and 4 is 6. So, the output is 1, 3. In the third example, the target is minus 1 and the numbers are minus 1 and 0, whose addition is minus 1 again. So, the output is 1, 2. Now, since the given array is sorted, the brute force approach will be to iterate through the array, taking one number at a time and searching for the second number through binary search. But using this, the time complexity of this algorithm will be O of n into log n. So the question is, can we do better than this? Yes, we can follow two pointers approach. We will start our left pointer pointing to the beginning of the array and another pointer at the end. At every step, we will see if the numbers pointed by these two pointers add up to the given target sum. If they do, then we found our pair. Otherwise, we will have to do two things. If the sum of the two numbers pointed by the two pointers is greater than the target sum, this means that we need a pair with a smaller sum. And since the array is sorted, we will try to decrement our right pointer. And if the sum of the two numbers pointed by left and right is smaller than the target sum, this means that we need a pair with a larger sum. So we will try to move our left pointer. Now let us understand this approach better. If you see, the target sum is 6 and our pointer 1 is at index 0 and pointer 2 is at last index. Addition of first and last pointer, that is 1 and 6, is greater than the sum, that is 1 plus 6 7, which is greater than 6. Hence we will decrement the pointer 2. So we decrement and it is now pointing to 4. Again, 4 plus 1 is 5, which is less than the target. Hence we will increment our left pointer. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, which is equal to the target sum. Hence, we can return the index position of 2 and 4. Now, let us go through the code for this approach. In the first, we will initialize our left and right pointer. Left is at 0 and right pointer is at the end of the array. After this, we will write our while loop where left pointer will be less than right pointer. Because if you notice, if the left pointer crosses the right pointer, that is pointer 1, goes ahead of pointer 2, that means that we did not found any pair which can satisfy the given target. So while left is less than equal to right, we will take the sum of numbers at left pointer and right pointer. Now if this sum is equal to the given target, then we will simply return by adding 1 in the left and right indices. Now why we are adding 1? Because in the description they said we have to return the indices added by 1. But if the sum is not equal to the target, then as we saw, there are two things. If the target is greater than the sum, that means we have to add more numbers to reach the target. And the only way to do is to increment the left pointer as the given array is sorted in non-decreasing order. If this is not the case, then we will simply decrement our right pointer because the target will be less than the sum, and to decrement our sum we have to decrement the right pointer. Once this while loop is completed, that means once the left pointer crosses the right pointer, we have not found our pair and we will simply return -1. Now the time complexity of this approach will be O of n, where n is the length of the numbers array because in the worst case, we may have to travel all the numbers given. And the space complexity will be O of 1, that is in constant space. Now let us run this code. It is accepted. Let us submit, and it's a success. So guys, I hope you understood the solution and you understood the two-pointer approach. Further in this playlist, we will be solving more medium and hard category problems of two-pointer approach. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe this channel to help me solve more problems for you. Thank you.